Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're in the historic cathedral city of Exeter.
Snapshot travel guide where every frame tells a tale.
Now it's only right that we'll start here with the cathedral. It's 600 years old and with hundreds of carved statues on the outside. They feature from kings to prophets to angels. Okay, let's check out the inside. Cathedral Green is just a great place to catch up with friends or just hang out and soak up the atmosphere. Let's not forget the local businesses that line the edges of the green. From cosy cafes to unique shops, it's a perfect spot to grab a coffee and watch the world go by. Here in Princess Hayes Shopping Centre, guys, you'll actually find the remains of St Catherine's Church, which was bombed during the Second World War. The Royal Albert Memorial Museum was established in 1868. It plays host to a vast collection of items that not only detail the history of Exeter, but also showcase exhibits from around the world. Here in Norwell Gardens you can find the remains of Rougemont Castle and the old city wall. There is a trail you can follow that shows you where bits of it still exists and how it encircled the city. So here in the 1680s, the last two women in England were executed for witchcraft. Here at St Bartholomew's Cemetery, you'll find the catacombs. They were built in the 19th century, but actually were never actually used, so they still remain empty. Okay guys, now walking down Parliament Street, which is reckoned to be one of the smallest streets in the world. It actually starts off apparently about 4 foot wide, but it seems actually less than that, and it goes down to about 2 foot. So as you can see, it's basically now really just the size of 2 buildings, but at one time there was been houses in this little passage. So there you go. Okay. Nearly out of it. Doesn't take long. Behind me, Guy, is the Tudor House, and it's been here since the 16th century. Unfortunately, every time it's been here, it's always closed. There's no sort of tour that you can do or have a look inside, which is a great pity. But never mind. But nevertheless, it's cool. It stood the test of time. Now standing, guys, on what was the remains of Exeter's old medieval stone bridge, which was built in the 12th century. It's hard to believe there was once a river flowing along here, and there was houses and all sorts actually on this bridge. I'll try and find an old picture to follow it if I can. The River Exe now flows further along, and I've done a video on Exeter's quayside, so go and check it out after you've watched this one. Here is a house that moved, and it's from the 1430s. In the 60s they picked it up and moved it here because a road was going to be built through it.